Did you know that 90% of your serotonin, which is your feel-good neurotransmitter, is actually made in your gut? This means that your mood, digestion, and even your stress levels are all deeply connected. Welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Dr. Erica Steele. I'm a board-certified naturopathic doctor, and I hold 7 degrees in my field. And this video is a part of our Week 6 Intro to Holistic Medicine course where this week we're going to teach how to heal digestion, stress, and metabolism holistically. If you still want to attend the course, you can. It's completely self-paced. Just go ahead and click the link in the bio, scroll down, fill out the form, and away we go. We also have deep dives into wellness collectives. And so these are my collection of various different protocols, tests, all sorts of ideas and webinars in specific focused collectives. So I have a heart one, I have a mindset one, and I'll be coming out with more and more every single month. So it's important to note, excuse me, that people with IBS are about 50% more likely to also struggle with anxiety or depression, according to the American Psychological Association. And in fact, Harvard Health discovered that mindful eating, the practice of mindful eating, actually reduced bloating, acid reflux, as well as IBS symptoms. So that's pretty incredible. So stress actually impacts your digestion and mood via the gut-brain axis. The gut-brain axis is this connection between our gut, our brain, and how stress can slow that digestion. It can cause bloating, especially if you have cortisol that's dumping into your GI tract. Cortisol, again, is that stress hormone. It can also increase inflammation. But furthermore, you have your vagal nerve. So your vagal nerve actually runs down your midline, and it helps to regulate your sympathetic and parasympathetic responses. And so when that gets into this fight or flight mode, you're again going to have poor gut function as well as higher anxiety. So what can we do? How can we, because stress is not going to go away. So what we do is we really focus on our breath. We focus on our meditation because that actually resets that gut-brain balance. It brings that connection. Even progressive relaxation, when you feel disassociated, can bring you back into your body. Of course, there's food, there's supplements, there's all those things, but I really want you to focus on getting back connected with your body. So often we go through different things, traumas, all sorts of very difficult situations in life, both internally and externally, and we don't really stop and take a moment and heal ourselves. So hopefully this course is very enlightening in terms of how the body works, how the body functions, and really gives you a beginning toolkit for you to be able to heal. So like, share, subscribe for more, and I'll see you around class.